Good day guys, welcome back guys. So having rotated this column, I can still see it's still red. So let's see the number of filled elements we have here. So click this arrow, go to verify all members passed. So it's telling me only one concrete member filled, and that is this only. So once I click OK, it's going to select this, right click on it and show selected objects only. We have only this column filling. So once I select it, right click on it, I can see the reason why it failed. So it's filling with UDCON 6 at this particular place. So I'll select details. So let me see the details of UDCON 6. That is 200%. Okay. So it's telling me that I need more than 4%. So I don't want to increase the area of this. So I will accept my 4%. So I can see the area of steel here is about 6,000. It's about 6,089. So let's say 6,100. So 6,100 divided by 491, and 491 is Y25, the area of steel of Y25. So I need to provide about 14 Y25 with this. So it's still within the permissible limit, so I'm okay with that. Okay, so I click OK and OK. So show all objects. So I think we are okay. So I think we are okay with it. So in the next video, we are going to be designing the slab